Would you like to know something freaking crazy? The first 4 replies to your question all assumed that the sex of your best married friend is a male and not a female. This is weird, considering your question gave no indication of their gender, or even your own gender. It took a moment to wrap my head around that one. Anyway, now to your question. Since you guys were friends with benefits before the marriage, I think it's safe to say that one or the both of you didn't want a serious relationship. If you settled for the FWB situation initially, finding out that your friend wants it to continue post-marriage may have a bearing on how you feel, but try not to let that affect your reaction when approaching the situation. Either way, I personally would put myself in the shoe of the one being cheated on, and tell the FWB I can't do it anymore. I take marital vows very seriously, so I would show them know how I feel about it, without coming across as angry or judgmental. This may even inspire a new perspective on the value of a lifelong commitment marriage within your former FWB, making them a better husband or wife moving forward. To put this differently, just break it off and hope for the best for them. Keep in mind, there are plenty of others out there that are looking for no strings attached sex, if that's all you want. Otherwise, you can always get yourself a boyfriend-girlfriend from online dating, through close friends, or from getting out and being more social, and get all the benefits within the package. I hope this response makes sense to you and that things work out for the best, for all parties involved.